Is Noah eating watermelon? Has Noah had 3 slices of watermelon already? Yeah? Oh. Mmm. Tasty? Yeah. Look, you've got a few little pieces left. And your dad will cut you some more, I'm sure. Yeah. Oh. Mmm. You put it in your hair. Good thing you're having a bath tonight. You gonna have some more watermelon? I'm going to look at the phone.
Oh, lovely.
That looks like a tasty bit. Mmm. Noah's finally slowing down. He's inhaling his watermelon. And I guess by the 4th slice, he's getting satiated. We should preface this that Noah has already eaten steak, lots of potato salad, roast peppers, both red and yellow peppers, coleslaw, grapes, Cheerios, half a slice of bread, milk. The list goes on. Oh, and a bit of grass. There's one lonely piece of watermelon left. Are you going to eat it? Interesting noises, Noah. This is the magic. Oops. Never-ending watermelon. Pieces keep appearing.
Just a little bit. Gotta make sure you get that last bit.
Noah's turned 10 months today. June 12th. He's enjoying his watermelon for the 2nd time ever.